Okay, we're back again. Audrey had temporarily stopped the recording. This is take 2. Oh yeah, sorry. It's take 2 here. Here, Russell, hand me the igniter.
You say?
All the above. There you go. You get that. Okay, this is where the rubber meets the road, so to speak. We don't know what this is going to look like. We're just hoping and praying for God's best here. Russell, any concerns that you might have regarding the launch? No? Okay.
I do have some.
Oh, okay.
Well, I also hope that it doesn't go anywhere where we can't reach. It doesn't hit it doesn't land on the highway. Which is right there.
Yeah.
And that it doesn't it's the parachute deploy.
Yeah.
If it wants.
So where are our... Okay, it's about T-minus 45 seconds here at
Mom?
Kingery Aeronautics.
Can't hear you.
We're going to go over there, sis.
All right, hand it here. Back up, Mom. Get ready to track
Sis?
this thing.
Come with me.
That's what it's all about, boys. That's what it's all about. 5, 4.
Wait, sis, wait. Watch out for that.
Careful, Audrey. Turn around, sis. Turn around. Okay, we'll restart here. You ready? 5, 4. Give us a message, son. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
That just became a...
Come on, sis. Here. Jay, do you want to take this?
Yeah.
It's
Okay, Kingery Aeronautics.
it's still filming.
Recovery team. Okay, guys, what happened?
It hit the ground, and the rocket hit the ground.
We had an issue there with a fail to deploy.
Where was it?
We had a fail to deploy.
What did it deploy?
I don't know. I don't know what happened. We see it over here in the distance, and
Too much distance.
as far as the flight was concerned, it was successful. Come here, Russell. That's barbed wire. Okay, one of you skinny guys, just go right through there. Okay, Michael's going to be part of the recovery team. Okay, approach. Before you pick it up, let me get a video of it. I'm walking down there with you. Don't mess with any of that. We had a good flight. Obviously, if you've ever watched a rocket take off before. Yeah? Oh no! Michael is calling for an emergency. Whoa! Oh no! Oh, all the work, all the effort. Oh my goodness! Hold on. Bring it here. Bring it here slowly. Did did the engine... Okay, that's what's left of the body. Interestingly enough, though... Michael, bring the nose cone here. Okay, let me see the nose cone. Bring it here. Interestingly enough, the wings have been totally preserved. That's barbed wire. Watch out. The nose cone has been totally preserved. It looks like the... Well, it looks like the... oh boy, it looks like the parachute was burned. Looks like the parachute was burned.
Barbed wire won't stop me.
No, get off there, son.
Yeah, there's the rocket. I could still climb this.
Now, off.
I'm just saying. Like,
Go grab that stuff over there. Let's see what happened there. You can see a top-down view here. No, grab the tissue. That's littering. We need to bring it back. We need to bring that into the forensics lab. It's all part of our data analysis for recovery. Just kind of figuring out what went wrong here. Okay.
I think it didn't go high enough, so the parachute didn't come out at the right time.
Well,
So I made put two
yeah.
in.
Well, you know what? I think this needs 2 engines. We will modify it so that it will probably have 2 engines.
We'll just cut it right there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's been a great first flight. It flew. It flew. All we can say is this is for NASA. This is for the retiring space shuttle program. We're trying to pick up where you guys have left off. And Obama has forgotten you. We're still with you. Okay.
Wait.
We wish everybody.
One thing, Dad.
Okay, one thing. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say that this won't be our last flight, and
Yep.
there'll be more than 2.
That's right. Okay. Here we are. Peace out.